Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing something massive, the LG 86-inch NanoCell 2025 Smart TV. Its screen is so big, it doesn't just fill your wall, it owns it. If you have been dreaming of a premium 4K experience powered by LG's latest AI technology, this is the one you have been looking for. Now, this box is no joke. The LG 85-inch NanoCell comes in a huge carton and it clearly says, "Handle with soap." And trust me, you will need to. This TV is large and elegant, but also delicate. Once the straps are off and we lift the top foam, the first thing you will notice are the accessories neatly packed inside. The LG Magic Remote, batteries, power cable, user manual, and the strong metallic TV legs. It's slim, sleek, and surprisingly lightweight for its weight. You lay it gently on a soft surface to spread the legs in. The stands are strong, premium, and easy to fix, designed to hold this giant frame with zero wobble. After that, it's time for the big lift. 2 arms, steady grip, and up it goes onto the TV stand. The moment you stand upright, you realize this thing commands the room. Now let's talk about the remote, because LG changed the game again. The 2025 LG Magic Remote is smaller, lighter, and more portable than the regular remotes we are used to. But don't let that fool you, it's still as powerful as ever. You still get the signature M mouse feature, where you can point and click directly on the screen, just like a computer mouse. Scrolling feels smoother, voice control is faster, and the new ergonomic shape sits comfortably in your hand. It's smart, minimal, and truly matches the futuristic feel of this TV. Once everything is set, we power it on and that iconic LG logo fades on. Right away, you are welcomed by the new WebOS 2025 interface, clean, fast, and incredibly responsive. Let's go through the quick setup. First, select your language. Next, choose your region, then your time zone. Then you'll see accessibility settings. We will skip that for now and set up later. Then it will ask, how do you want to set up your TV? We will choose remote control, the easiest option. Next, you can connect to the internet, Wi-Fi or LAN, or skip it if you prefer to do it later. User environmental analysis. Set that to none for now. Finally, choose your installation type, either wall mount or stand. Once that is done, your LG NanoCell 2025 finishes setup and posts right into the home screen. Clean, fast, and ready to explore. Setup is simple. If you like, connect your Wi-Fi, sign into your LG account, and it automatically syncs your preferences. The display comes alive instantly. Bright colors, deep blacks, and razor-sharp clarity. Now here is where LG magic really happens. NanoCell technology. NanoCell is not just another buzzword. It uses thin nanoparticles to filter and purify colors, removing dull tones and delivering pure lifelike colors accuracy. That means when you see red, it's true red. When you see green, it's pure and natural green. Every sense look more details and even from wide angles. And this 2025 model runs on the powerful A8 AI processor 5th generation, giving you advanced color mapping, smarter 4K upscaling, and AI optimized contrast. Plus Dolby Vision, HDR10, and AI Sound Pro. You are not just watching, you are experiencing every frame. So there you have it, the unboxing and first setup of the LG 86-inch NanoCell 2025 Smart TV. It's big, good, and packed with pure intelligence. If you are planning to upgrade your setup this year, this TV should be high on your list, whether for movie, sports, or next-gen gaming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.